State Farm had a legal showdown which brought to light the hidden risks of non-owned vehicles, State Farm, and their legal battle over a loaner car. In a developing legal case, a former sports radio host finds themselves embroiled in a dispute with the insurance company over liability coverage following a 2022 motor vehicle accident. The incident occurred while the host was driving a vehicle owned by a local dealership during their employment at a media group. The vehicle was provided as part of a promotional agreement or an informal perk related to their work at the station. State Farm argued that they are not liable for covering the accident because the vehicle involved was not the host's personal vehicle, which was insured under their policy. The company claims that the vehicle was in the host's possession for over 31 days and was not considered a temporary substitute vehicle, thus falling outside the scope of coverage provided by their existing auto insurance policy. In response to the accident, which led to a lawsuit filed by another motorist for negligence, the insurance company has petitioned a federal court to issue an order relieving them of any obligation to defend or indemnify the host in the related legal actions. These include consolidated lawsuits in a local court, underscoring the complexities involved in determining insurance responsibilities for vehicles used under non-traditional arrangements. As the legal proceedings unfold, the case pivots on the interpretation of specific policy terms, notably concerning non-owned vehicles. Central to the court's ruling is the definition entrenched in the insurance company's policy, which dictates that for coverage to extend to loaner vehicles, a signed rental agreement is mandatory. In the absence of such an agreement, as in this case, the vehicle is categorized as a non-owned auto, exempting it from coverage under the personal insurance policy. This nuanced interpretation has significant implications not only for the host, but also for policyholders broadly. The court's decision underscores the importance of understanding the intricacies embedded within insurance documents. Many policyholders might assume that their coverage seamlessly extends to any vehicle they operate, especially those provided for business or promotional purposes. However, this case highlights the potential pitfalls of such assumptions, emphasizing the critical need for clear, documented agreements to ensure coverage is activated. The recent ruling casts a spotlight on a pressing concern for influencers who often drive non-owned vehicles as part of promotional deals or informal arrangements. With the growing trend of brands providing vehicles to influencers for reviews or as part of marketing collaborations, many may unknowingly be at risk of significant insurance coverage gaps. Influencers might assume that their personal auto insurance provides a blanket coverage for any vehicle they drive. However, as underscored by the court's decision, without a formal rental agreement, these vehicles are classified as non-owned under many insurance policies, leaving drivers exposed to potential liabilities. This ruling serves as a crucial reminder for influencers to scrutinize their insurance policies and ensure that all necessary documentation, such as signed rental agreements, is in place. Failure to do so could result in bearing the full brunt of liability in the event of an accident, a risk that could severely impact both their financial and professional standing. By proactively engaging with insurance agents and confirming the specifics of their coverage, people can safeguard themselves against unforeseen legal and financial repercussions. This case highlights the importance of not just relying on assumptions about insurance, but taking definitive steps to secure coverage for vehicles used under promotional or informal circumstances. Thank you for tuning in to our insurance news segment. We value your insights, so please let us know what you think about the recent State Farm ruling in the comments below. Don't forget to hit subscribe to stay updated on the latest insurance trends and news. Your support helps us bring you more of the content you care about.